We have a balloon here. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 10 pieces of abalone, guys. Before you cook, guys, you need to clean the abalone from here. Yes, this is the abalone. Oh my gosh, look at the face of abalone. Guys, look. You need to clean this one, guys, before you cook. This is a steam. Steam only, guys. I will put only, guys, the ginger and tangerine, and also I put also spring onion, guys. Look. On the top, guys, you know. This is, you need to clean first the tangerine before you cook, guys. You know, look at the tangerine. The abalone. Yeah. This is the abalone, guys. Yes. You need to clean first before you cook. Yeah. Because have you know, it's from the sea or from the this one. Yes, from here you need to clean from inside. Yan. Like this is the real abalone. Look at that. Yes, look at that, guys. This is the abalone, guys. You need to clean the abalone before you cook. Use the brush, and then you can do it like this. You know, it's a different abalone, guys. Not same face. Look at that. It's so funny, but it's real. It's real. This is the abalone. You clean first, yeah. And of course, from after you need to clean also from here. Yes. Also, you need to clean from here, guys. Clean abalone. This is very good abalone. Look at that. Yeah, you need to clean like this from the shell. You know, see, as you can see, the abalone is like this. Yes, see. Like that, guys. Look at that. And after you clean, oh guys, after you clean, you need to wash. Look at that, guys. This is our abalone. And then after that, you need to wash. Ay, titik ni Juan. Ay, sorry, guys. Our, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Hindi pa, guys. Magpapagod na siya dyan. Nakikita nyo naman. Look. The color of the water, guys. Look at that. It's so dirty. That's why you need to clean, guys, before you cook. You can do like that. See? As you can see, before we clean, this is very dirty, guys. Yeah? Now it's become white. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See? If you clean again, it will see like this. No more inside, no. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys. See, look at the difference if the abalone not clean. Okay, guys, it's clean already. And of course, this one is white. Yes. And this one is white. Look. Yes, this is the look. The looks of abalone, guys. But we need to this one. Yes, everyone. This is only, guys, steam. Okay. Now the black is normal. That's why we need to put the water. Yeah, just keep in the water, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, this is our scallop shell. And then, we will put our scallop here. Okay, scallop. Just like that, everyone. Okay. Okay. Just we will use our hands, guys, you know. Because our hands is our hands. Yeah, that's all, guys. Finish marinate, guys, our abalones. This is the abalones marinades. Yeah, put it back again, guys. After marinate, we need to put it back. Yes, because put it back is good. Put it back. Yeah. Okay, guys, just yeah, see, use your hands, guys. Okay, it's already marinate, guys. Yes, yes, yes. And then we will put our sauce up. Sauce up. We will keep a little, guys. We will check if this is enough for the sauce or for the toppings. This is our toppings for ano, guys, for abalones, everyone. Enjoy watching, mga guwapa kagwapo. Thank you so much. And I hope everyone is enjoy and God bless, guys. Yeah. See, this is our abalones toppings. Yeah. Ginger, garlic, spring onions, and of course, sugar. Yes, oyster sauce, soy sauce, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And God bless us, everyone. Okay, guys, open. After 10 minutes, guys. After 10 minutes boiling, we need to put spring onions on the top, guys. That's our we use our hands. We put a spring onion up there. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Oh, this is our, yes, and then close again. Woohoo! See, look at that. This is our steam abalone. Steam abalone, guys. Enjoy watching our steam abalone. Look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Steam abalone, guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us. I hope everyone is enjoying. Vegetables is our vegetables. Boy, what is that? Oh, have a man coming. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Crab alimango, pork steam, and of course abalones. Enjoy.